Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 1991 Jaguar XJ Sovereign 4.0. The vehicle is metallic satin beige finish with a 15-inch of Jaguar alloy wheels. The vehicle is in very good condition. Size of the trunk. And the front view of the vehicle. It's got full leather interior with 4 headrests, rear center armrests, all 4 windows electric, charging there, electric mirrors as well. It's got twin electric both driver and passenger side seats, as you can see, with a electric lumbar support. The seats are very comfortable. All electrics working fine. So it's got a center armrest with some storage under it for cassette, I believe it is. It's got power in steering wheel, a speed control. Here we just got the lights, automatic transmission with a sport mode. It's got the genuine Jaguar cassette player. Air conditioning as well. The vehicle is driving fantastic. I just test drove it. The suspension is very soft. You don't feel the road. It's very nice made. And it is 100% genuine. It's done only 148,000 miles. This was the video walk around of the Jaguar Sovereign. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.